Hey guys, these are the two Lenovo K8 Plus phones. Both are exactly the same models, just that one is in this gold color and the other one is black. I think the market name is Fine Gold and this one is Venom Black. I've had these phones for around a month now, and usage wise everything is actually exactly the same, so all you have maybe slight differences in terms of personal settings, in terms of brightness and choice of screensaver. So but overall, in case you're wondering, because gold has so many variants in the market, there's a rose gold, there's a pink gold, I don't know, there are so many variants that sometimes people are just confused, especially when you're buying online, because looking at the photo you never get a very clear idea about what it is. So the one which comes in gold color has a white front, and then it comes with a very nice shade of gold that's called Fine Gold. And this looks wise, feel wise, even when you it's just the overall feel of the phone in the hand is much better compared to when it's a black. This feels, you can already see that it sort of, you can see the moisture which is getting retained on the back a little bit, and then if you have a little bit sweat on your palm, then it will leave a small fingerprint behind like that. Just based on that, if you look at this, there's it's much more polished and smooth, and if you want to decide between fine gold and black and white, I guess just choose the fine gold, because it's definitely a much better color option in terms of this phone. In terms of specifications, since they are same, so performance would be the same, but just the look and the feel in the hand, this feels very premium to hold it, and the feel of it. While the black, I just don't, I had the black one before and then came the fine gold, so till I did not see the fine gold, I did not really know what to expect. But once I saw this, and I was like, wow, definitely for the same price and same specifications and everything exactly identical, this is definitely a much better feel in the hand compared to a black. Of course, normally people look for specifications over the looks, but then in case you have finalized this phone and you're looking at the color option which you want to buy, I guess you should just go for a fine gold.
Hey there, thank you so much for watching. In case you liked the video, please do subscribe. Also, if there's a comment or any feedback or a question that you have about the video, please do post below. Thank you.